put your hands up in the club, just spoke up, doing my own real thing. You decided to trip, but now you want to trip, cause nobody noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me, don't play him better. Cry my tears, 3 good years, can't be mad at me. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad at what you say that he want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring. Everybody, come on! Should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad at what you say that he want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. I got gloss on my lips, a man on my hips, only tied on my dirty young jeans. Acting up, drinking my cup, I could care less what you think. I need the permission, get a mission, don't pay him better. Cry my tears, 3 good years, can't be mad at me. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad at what you say that he want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring. Everybody, come on! Almost say it, lady.
Total performer, Baron! Galing ah. Yan ang total performer talaga. Sing and dance, saka performance talaga. May energy. 10,000!
Thank you, Kuya Will!
May rate yan eh. Pag hindi ka masyadong ganun kumanta, kapag na 2,000 lang. Pero ang galing. Kamay sa inyo mga puso. Good luck sa inyong dalawa. Here we go. Kantanong. Titulado.
Price tag.
1 point si May. Price tag is correct. Beron, okay. Nakakatuwa kayong pareho, ha? Match yung katawan nyo. Okay na lang. Mga sexy, okay? May, Beron, meron ka ng 1 point. May chance pa, Beron. Kantanong. Sing to. Go, Beron.
Sorry, Ronimo.
1 point. Concentrate to ladies. Kantanong. Titulado.
Alejandro!
Pasok ka na, May! Now natin ko sa'yo, Ron, for joining. Ito ang tatlo. Let's go! Ito naman, of course, si Rian. Meron ka 5,000.
Thank you so much, Kuya Will.
5,000.
Thank you!
May 5,000.
Thank you, Kuya Will!
Kamay sa inyo, mga puso. Good luck. Isang tamang sagot lang. Sino kaya makakapag-uwi ng mega jackpot? 1 million cash. Photon, Tornado 2, pangkabuhayan at isang house na from Camellia. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Kantanong. Titulado. Galing mo. Sige.
Super Bowl!
Punta ka na sa gitna! Hoy!
Congratulations, May! Ito ang 10,000 pesos. At hindi lang yan, meron ka pang gift certificate worth 3,000 mula sa CDO Fantastic Young Portosino. Ikaw pa ang maglalaro sa Ferris wheel. Susunod na yan. Pero bago po yun, eto si Marielle.
Thank you very much, Camille, and happy birthday to Mrs. Dalaine Caballo. Siya po ang asawa ni Sammy Caballo. Happy 50th anniversary kay Emilio and Pasita Berberabe from Dr. June Berberabe. At gusto ko po magpasalamat sa Fendi Eyewear, Aldo Shoes, Met Clothing, Salon de Manila, Antonio Hairdressing, Dr. Steve Morgan of GOC Dental, Drs. Manny and Paikaline. Maraming salamat SM Accessories, Posh Nails at Meister. At narito na po ang mga big time na pipila bukas. Alam ko, inaabangan nyo yan. Eto ha, ang mga pipila po bukas ay mga foreigners na nagtatagalog. Pwede po kayo isang Amerikano, Korean, Canadian, Japanese, Chinese o Australian at iba pa. Pwede na po kahit hindi kayo masyado magaling magtagalog. Yung okay lang, pwede na. Alright? Pwedeng nag-asawa kayo ng Pilipino, nagtatrabaho, nagbabakasyon, nag-aaral, whatever. Basta 18 years old, pataas, magdala lang kayo ng ID, passport o anumang katibayan na kayo ay foreigners na nakakapagtagalog. Magpunta lang po kayo ng 10 a.m. sa address na nakikita ninyo sa inyong mga TV screens. At hanapin niyo po si Heidi Malyari at si Henry Ching para po sa mga hindi mapipili. 15 sa inyo makakanood ng live dito sa loob ng studio to give chance to others. Ang pwede lang po mag-audition ay yung mga nasa labas ng Novaliches. Susunod na po, Ferris wheel na, kaya naman, let's party!
I'm